What am I going to learn?
Students will learn mechanical refrigeration, heating and cooling theory, electricity, controls, construction blueprint reading, and safety. This program also covers air conditioning, furnaces, heat pumps, residential building codes, residential system sizing, and HVAC controls.
What are my career choices?
This training prepares individuals for employment as technicians in residential, industrial, and commercial HVAC design, installation, efficiency, service, and repair. In addition, retailers and industrial maintenance technicians will find the courses in program beneficial in their professional development.
Why Stanley Community College?
At Stanley Community College, we feel that college is not the ultimate destination. It's a place of discoveries that equips you with knowledge and skills to journey on toward a rewarding and successful future. Call us today to schedule a campus tour or visit us at stanley.edu to learn more. Stanley Community College, we are changing lives.